Hi everyone, this is Gianni Stanghellini. I do tours. Walkabout Italy is the name of my business. And I wanted to talk to you about what is the regular day, the normal day when you hike with us, when you do a tour, when you take a tour with us. It's very easy. We take a couple of hours walk in the morning, and then we get to a winery, then we taste some wine, then we eat something. Obviously, it's a special food. And then we rest in the afternoon and visit something in the afternoon, and then we go to dinner and taste more beautiful food. It's very relaxing, believe me. Look at the TripAdvisor reviews. People loved it because we plan our hiking tours just like if we were taking friends to walk with us, family and friends. So you should absolutely take a look at the website and learn more about our tours. We do tours in Tuscany. Now I am in Tuscany. This is very green now. See, beautiful homes and the olive trees, very beautiful. And then we also run tours in Amalfi Coast and Sicily. We have space in May, September and October in the Tuscany trip. We also have space in June for the Amalfi trip and two places in the October trip, the Amalfi Coast, and we still have 6 places for the Sicily trip. I am in charge for guiding the Tuscany trip, while I let the local guides of Amalfi and the local guides of Sicily guide their own places because they know better. I will be dealing with you if you want to book the trip with all the paperwork and bookings. So I will be sitting in the office also, so you will talk to me about the administrative things, but when you visit the places you will see only local guides. So I'm a local here, Tuscany. Amalfi and Sicily is guided by someone else, and of course I supervise the trip, so all the trips are similar in the way that we set up the trip. All very nice people, very friendly, and our intention is to facilitate your meeting other Italians, talking to them, talking to the locals. Okay, so I really hope to see you soon. This is all for now. I hope to see you on the Tuscany trip of the Amalfi or the Sicily trip. Bye. Ciao.